Well, hey, everybody, I'm Paul Gross. Let's take you through the forecast. And we have no real serious problems till we get to Tuesday, but we do have one thing we keep an eye on. Now, our Sunday evening is great, but then overnight, Sunday night, we have a cold front coming through, and that's going to bring some scattered showers across the area. Nothing violent, nothing you have to worry about. It's just be aware that you'll wake up in the morning, maybe see a few puddles out there, because this stuff's going to be gone by dawn, and we're going to see lots of sunshine for our Labor Day. We can take that on a holiday, most people off work, and some people celebrating the start of Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year, one of the high holy days, so no problems going to services Monday evening. So we're going to be in good shape Monday into Monday night. Tuesday morning, we're in fine shape, starting off very comfortable. And we're going to come back to the rest of Tuesday in a second. Let's talk about some ingredients here. Now, again, we're going to be comfortable to start the day Tuesday, but notice the increase in moisture as the day progresses. That helps to make things more unstable because, remember, we're going to warm up Tuesday into the mid-80s. So hot, humid days, those are our thunderstorm days here in the summer. And in fact, you can see that here. If you look at instability as modeled by the computer models, you can see the instability increasing as we move through the day as well. So it's not going to take much to get air to rise violently. And with an approaching cold front, that's the trigger. But there's something else that's going to help those storms. Let's take a look at jet stream winds. And again, this is starting off Tuesday morning. And notice as we progress through the day, you're going to see this right here. This is, we call it a speed max. And what it is basically kind of like a little bullet of stronger jet stream wind. And those are important because the front left side, remember, it's moving this way. So the front left side of it, we call it the exit region, the left exit region, or the front left quadrant. That is where you get some enhanced lift, better dynamics for the storms. And since this thing is coming right across southern Michigan, I think the northern part of the area is going to get some help from that upper level speed max coming across. So that sets us up for potentially a severe weather event. So now let's get back to the model and show you what's going to progress through the day. We're dry again for most of the daylight hours. And then as we get into Sunday evening, you see this line setting up ahead of that cold front there. And so our west zone, top part of our west zone here, even our north zone, you're the first to get this. So 7, 8 o'clock. And then in the heart of the area in mid-evening, around 9 o'clock Tuesday evening, and there's going to be a solid line here. This is not scattered stuff, so we're all at risk. But in terms of who's most at risk, I think the earlier part of this line, so the farther north and west you are, these storms are going to arrive during the warmer part of the evening because, you know, it cools off during the evening. That makes the air more stable. So I think a better chance for severe here than here, although we are all at risk. This stuff looks like it's out of the area by about 2, 3 in the morning, and then we'll be able to sleep the rest of the night. But the evening is going to get quite noisy. So the Storm Prediction Center has now added us to the marginal risk of severe weather for Tuesday evening, and it would not surprise me to see them add a slight risk for maybe for this area here as we get a little bit closer to the event and some of the dynamics and thermodynamics become a little more certain. But in terms of the storm threats, we're looking at 60-mile gusts or greater. So 60-mile-per-hour gusts or greater is a damaging wind gust. So yes, power outages are possible. We could get some large hail, torrential downpours, so there could be some localized flooding. But the thing is, this is a single line of storms coming across. The storms aren't just going to be lingering over any particular area. So that will temper some of the flood threat. But you get a lot of rain in a short period of time, you can get some flooding. So we'll watch out for that. And the tornado possibility is lower, but it's not zero. A tornado is actually possible, especially, again, to the north and west, where that more favored storm environment is going to be. So still a lot of details. We're 2 days out, so we'll keep an eye on this for you. And between the app, Local 4, and clickondetroit.com, we have you covered. All right, 58, the overnight low tonight with those scattered showers. So a mild night, but comfortable, nothing terrible. And then tomorrow, again, those are all gone by dawn, so lots of sunshine tomorrow. Mostly sunny, 78 for the high. In the thumb, you'll probably be more like mid-70s, and the west wind will be 8 to 13 miles per hour by afternoon. So Tuesday, ahead of that front, 84 degrees, so it's going to feel very sultry on Tuesday and increasingly humid through the day. And then we cool off for the middle part of the week. There could be a shower Wednesday, Thursday, better chances to the north, but just be aware there's a possibility. This is not like washout type of days. Then mostly sunny on Friday, and then next weekend, warming back up, but we're near or even a little above 80 degrees.